Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you removing Meta AI from Facebook completely. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial if you want to get rid of this Meta AI on Facebook. So what you're going to do here if you don't want this new feature on Facebook is that you have to exit your Facebook application first and then uninstall your Facebook application. So you have to exit this, long press Facebook application, and then uninstall. The reason why you need to do this is that you will no longer use this new feature or this latest Facebook application. So tap uninstall. Once done, you can go to any web browser, for example, Google web browser, and then here you have to search for old version of Facebook. Okay, so you can type old version Facebook, and then you will see here sites where you can download old versions of Facebook. So here, as you can see, I have two sites here. I'll just have to choose from any of this. So let me tap the second one. So what you're going to do here is you just have to scroll down and then look for the older version as much as possible, oldest version. Okay, so you have to tap see more. For example, you have found an old version of Facebook application like 2022. Then what you're going to do is you have to tap that one and then scroll down. You will see this download button right here. Tap download. After that, install this application and then launch this Facebook application. Then you will see that the Meta AI feature is not there because it's not the updated version, it's the old version. So that's how you easily get rid of this Meta AI on Facebook, or that's how you easily remove Meta AI from Facebook completely. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest other topics, please do comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.